Have you ever imagined what life would be like if the moon suddenly disappeared? It's something most of us take for granted, a constant presence in the night sky. But the moon is far more than a decorative celestial body. Its existence profoundly shapes life on Earth in ways we often overlook. The first effect of a missing moon would hit our oceans immediately. Tides, the regular rise and fall of sea levels, are largely caused by the moon's gravity. Without it, high tides would be far weaker, and low tides would barely exist. Coastal ecosystems would collapse, as many marine animals rely on tidal patterns to breed and feed. Coral reefs, mangroves, and tidal wetlands would face dramatic changes. Fisheries around the world would be affected, impacting human food supply. But tides aren't the only thing the moon controls. It also stabilizes the tilt of Earth's axis. Currently, our planet tilts at about 23.5 degrees, giving us predictable seasons. Without the moon, this tilt could vary wildly over thousands of years. Some regions might experience scorching summers or freezing winters in unpredictable patterns. Agriculture would suffer, and ecosystems would be forced to adapt or disappear. The moon also slows Earth's rotation. Without it, days would gradually become shorter and nights would shrink. The length of a day could eventually drop to just a few hours. This faster rotation would affect wind patterns and ocean currents. Weather systems would become more chaotic, with more violent storms. Animals, too, would face new challenges. Many species rely on lunar cycles for reproduction. Sea turtles, for example, hatch according to the light of the full moon. Without it, their survival rates could plummet. Nocturnal animals would also struggle in the darker nights without moonlight. Predators and prey would need to adapt to entirely new patterns. Even human culture would feel the absence of the moon. Countless myths, stories, calendars, and religious rituals revolve around lunar cycles. Timekeeping, ancient agriculture, and navigation would all need to be reimagined. Space itself would feel emptier. The moon is the brightest object in the night sky after the sun. Without it, stargazing would be less spectacular and our nightscapes far darker. Beyond beauty, the moon's gravity helps protect Earth from meteor impacts. It acts as a shield, pulling in or deflecting asteroids that might otherwise strike the planet. Life on Earth would face higher risks from celestial impacts without this natural guardian. But there's more. The moon has a subtle effect on our planet's interior. Its gravitational pull contributes to tidal friction, which in turn stabilizes the Earth's rotation. Without this friction, Earth's spin could become erratic over long timescales. This could trigger catastrophic geological and climatic events. Volcanic activity and earthquakes might follow unpredictable patterns. Oceans would experience changes beyond just tides. Currents that distribute heat around the globe would be disrupted. Regions like Europe and North America could face extreme climate shifts. Life on Earth has co-evolved with the moon for billions of years. Removing it would be like pulling the rug out from under the planet. Even humans would be affected biologically. There is evidence that some species' sleep cycles are influenced by lunar light. Without it, our circadian rhythms might shift, affecting health and behavior. Ancient civilizations revered the moon for a reason. They observed its patterns and relied on its light to navigate the night. Without it, our ancestors' lives would have been dramatically different. Interestingly, Earth itself would change physically. The lack of lunar tidal forces could alter the shape of our planet's oceans. Coastlines might recede or advance in unpredictable ways. Islands that depend on tidal balance could vanish. Marine biodiversity would face extinction events on massive scales. Scientists have simulated these changes and discovered how fragile our planetary balance really is. Life is resilient, but it thrives on stability. The moon provides that stability in ways we rarely appreciate. Its absence would create cascading effects across biology, climate, and geology. Even our technology could feel the impact. Satellite orbits rely on predictable Earth rotation and gravity. Disruption could affect GPS systems, communications, and space missions. The moon also inspires human curiosity and exploration. Its absence might delay or alter our ambitions to explore space. Yet imagining a moonless Earth teaches us a crucial lesson. We often underestimate the unseen forces that shape life. Every natural cycle, from tides to seasons, depends on delicate balances. Losing one element can ripple through the entire system. The moon is not just a silent companion, it is a guardian, stabilizer, and protector of life on Earth. Its presence shapes oceans, climate, wildlife, and even human culture. Without it, Earth would still exist, but life as we know it would be profoundly different. The night sky would be darker, the seas calmer, yet more dangerous in other ways. Storms could rage unpredictably, and ecosystems would struggle to survive. Humans would adapt, but our history, mythology, and science would tell a different story. Thinking about the moon's disappearance reminds us of how interconnected everything is. Even a small celestial body can have immense influence on life and the planet's future. So next time you gaze at the moon, remember, it is far more than a rock in the sky. It is a protector, a stabilizer, and a silent partner in Earth's journey through space. And as science continues to explore the cosmos, we realize just how lucky we are to have it. The moon is not just part of the night, it is part of life itself. Stay curious, because the universe is always more surprising than we imagine. Subscribe to Intriguing Facts for more mind-blowing quick science adventures.